It's a great day yesterday, Kendall, to get out on the water, do a little fishing.
Yes.
Even with the wind, you can still catch fish.
Yes, exactly, exactly. You would know. I wanted to ask you about noodling. I was talking to my parents afterwards, and they just think that's so fascinating that you noodle.
I do.
We're gonna talk about
We're not quite to noodling season yet. We need it to warm up a little bit more, but in a couple of weeks, I'll be back out on the water catching fish with my hands.
I might want to go with you sometime.
Okay, well, hey, when you say that, I'm going to take it seriously.
Okay.
We'll see how you feel once you get in that muddy lake water.
All right, I'll do my best. Well, for today, unfortunately, you probably don't want to do any fishing because it's going to be a little bit soggy in some locations, and also we are going to have some storms as well. So for your Mother's Day forecast, this is how it's looking. We are having a cold front that's currently rolling across the area, so that is bringing about showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. That's what we saw last night, and it's continuing on into this morning, and by midday eventually it will finally clear on out as we dry things back out. But by this afternoon, that cold front is going to make its way down into southeast Oklahoma, which is also going to bring some more showers and thunderstorm chances, and some of these storms could be on the strong to marginally severe side. So if you do live in southeast Oklahoma, there is a pretty good chance that you are going to see some shower and thunderstorm activity today, so just make sure to have that umbrella on hand if you do have any Mother's Day plans. But with that cold front is also giving us temperatures that are going to gradually decrease throughout the day. So for us for today, this is the warmest part of the day this morning, and then we're going to continue to drop. So by 10 a.m. we're in the upper 50s, but the good news is that by this storm system, as it moves on out of here, we are going to rebound and see a little bit of sunshine later on today. So partly sunny skies that will help us to make it into the mid 60s by this afternoon. So it's not too bad for Mother's Day, but then by this evening, we're going to be back into the upper 50s. So just a chance of thunderstorms, and then we'll see partly cloudy skies later on today. So your sunburn risk for today, even though it is going to be cloudy out there, just make sure to have that sunscreen on hand once again, because we do have a high UV index, especially from 11 a.m. until about 4 p.m. So just make sure to have protective eyewear as well as sunscreen on hand all day today. So on radar, we can see that shower and thunderstorm activity up to the north and to the east of Tulsa. So right here, we're still dry, but we can see a few spotty showers starting to develop, especially in eastern Oklahoma, stretching off into northwest Arkansas. So as we take a little bit of a closer look near Miami and I-44, we can see the bulk of this activity as it continues to push off to the east. But downtown, we are still dry. Temperatures are coming in at 65 degrees. Winds are breezy once again today out of the west-northwest at 17 miles an hour. Our dew point is at 56. So across the area, we are continuing to see that cold front track across. So temperatures behind the front are in the upper 50s, and then ahead of the front, we're in the 70s. So by this afternoon, expect partly sunny skies and temperatures to be in the mid 60s by around 4 to 5 o'clock this evening. So it's not too bad, but our winds, that's really what we're having to contend with. They're going to be very breezy once again out of the north, so it is going to be a little bit chilly and blustery at times. Just make sure to be aware of that. In our storm zone, it's really going to be situated off to the east of us, but it is going to eclipse just a little bit of far southeast Oklahoma, so LaFleur County, you all are under the gun for just a slight chance to see a few showers and thunderstorms that could be on the strong side. So we are going to be watching that, but by this afternoon, expect that northerly breeze, temperatures in the mid 60s by this afternoon and evening, and then as we head into the overnight time frame, we are going to see our temperatures drop back off, but we're tracking off and on chances for showers and thunderstorms as we head into the next several days. So just get ready for that, because it is going to be a roller coaster ride as we head into the first part of the work week. So for us, for our forecast, it's not looking too bad, but we are going to be dealing with those showers and thunderstorms. Just make sure to be aware of that. But then by next weekend, we dry things back out and temperatures are back in the 80s.